Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new e-file to share with you guys. I picked this up on Black Friday when I did a bunch of Black Friday shopping. I did a huge haul video. I'll link that up here if you guys want to go check that out. This is one of the things that I got and I am so excited to have this finally in. I've been using the other MelodySusie. It was the lamp drill combo in one thing. I was using that for a good while and it worked well. I didn't mind. The handpiece on it was a little bit bigger than what my Sparkle Pro was. So I didn't love that, but the file worked really good. And I didn't like that it was a combination with the lamp file. But anyways, I got new lamps, which you also seen in the haul video. And then I needed a new e-file. So this is the Sparkle Plus. Like I said, I previously had the Sparkle Pro, which is right here, and it's broken. Unfortunately, I broke the handpiece. It was my fault. I did drop it. And I was going to reorder just the handpiece because I really love this unit. I love that it's rechargeable and I can take it with me over to the pedicure chair when I need it. And I don't have to worry about having a cord plugged in because I've got so many cords already. It's ridiculous. So cord management is a pain in the butt. But anyways, I was going to reorder the handpiece. The handpiece itself is about $100 to just get that. So it's a little pricey. And I got this entire unit for, I think, $104, which is about 50% off. Fantastic. So let's open it up and check it out. So this is an all white unit, which I love because you guys know everything on my desk is white. And of course you got your user manual as always. This Sparkle Pro was their other model of this. This is the Sparkle Plus. This is supposed to be the updated version of the Sparkle Pro. It's supposed to be better battery life, better everything from what they advertised. So we will test it out and see. Okay, so it comes with a nice little ceramic bit, a cradle, and also a piece to hook to the side of the unit, which I will definitely be utilizing. Click that baby in there real good. Ta-da. Oh, it's also got, ooh, that's a really nice one. And then your standard little bit kit, the cord to charge it, and then the handpiece. Ooh, which is also very nice. I like that the cord is white. How cool. Okay, so it is nice and small, just like the Sparkle Pro. And let's see here. It is pretty much the same. You know what? It's actually a little tiny bit bigger, just a little, but it's not as big as their bigger unit that I was using, but it is slightly bigger still. Not much, just a smidge. It has a twist and lock, which is fantastic. I love the twist and lock. And let's see, we've got a 2-prong plug-in. What was on this one? This one has a 3. So they make each unit to where you can't use this handpiece with that base or vice versa. All right, we get this plugged in. There we go. Very, very nice. Let's see. It's very, I don't want to say very heavy, but it's got a good weight to it. It's a bit heavier than this one, and the shape is just slightly different. They've changed it just a little bit, but the same concept. This has like a bit of a raised lip here, and this one is flat. We got your forward reverse. This one's got this one just flips forward reverse, and this one goes forward center reverse. I don't know if that maybe means off. So that is where the bottom, that's where you plug in your charger cable. And just like the Sparkle Pro, the Sparkle Plus has the little clip on the back for your belt. And then I have a little holder that this just sits down on, which I will have to find. I stuck that somewhere, but it's down here somewhere. And that'll sit over to the side. Let's turn this baby on and listen to it. So it has your information on the front. It's 3,500. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn my light off here. It's very dim, but it's on the center, so it's not spinning. I'm going to click it back off, and I'm going to put it on forward and turn it on. There it goes. It's spinning. Can you hear it? It's very, very, very quiet. Much more quiet than the other unit. I can't remember the name of that unit that they sent me. And this tells you the direction it's going. It's got a little directional thing on there. Let me turn off my other light here. There we go. So we're gonna turn that back down. I'm gonna put it in reverse, turn it back on. And that tells you it's going the other way. And you got your battery indicator. It's super, super quiet. The little knob is a little stiff. It's hard. It's kind of hard to twist. I don't love that. My other one was really easy to use. Has this got any power left on it? You can hear this one. That's where I dropped it. It's making that sound. But the twister on it, the little turn offer knob, listen to my technical terms. But the switch to turn it on, the knob to twist it and turn up the RPMs, the speed of it, was a lot easier to twist than this one. This one's got a little bit more give to it. So there's a few differences. I will be using this today, and I will let you guys know what I think of it compared to the Sparkle Pro. And if I see a big difference or not, if I like it, if I don't like it. You guys know I'm always going to give you my 100% honest opinion. So far, I don't know, it's pretty similar. So I think I prefer the handpiece on the other one though. It's got some weight to it as well. So they're similar in weight and they're similar in size, but they're not 100% the same. But I'll let you know. Maybe I'll end up really, really liking this one. And I like the color of it. It's like a matte white finish, so it's really nice. And yeah, I will be back. Same video, but in a couple weeks to let you guys know what I think about this new MelodySusie Sparkle Plus. Okay guys, so it has definitely been longer than a couple of weeks. I've been using this now. Let's see, what is today? Today is like February 10th. So I have been using this for a couple of months. I got it for the Black Friday sale. It came in around the 1st of December. So at least a couple of months I've been using it. And for the most part, it works really fantastic. But I will tell you that I do prefer the Sparkle Pro, the black one that I had, over this one for a few reasons. I don't know if it's this model or if it's just this particular one that I received, but like I mentioned before, the knob is stiff and it has gotten more stiff, and also the place where you open and close the handpiece to put your bit in and out is really, really stiff, and it's driving me nuts trying to open and close it. So I don't know if that's just this particular one that I got and it's doing that, or if it's this model that is just a little bit more stiff. And also the battery life on this one, it really doesn't seem to last as long as my other one did. Like, I feel like I used it and almost never charged it. And this one, I feel like I'm charging about once a week. I'm not any more busy now than I was when I was using the other e-file, so I'm not sure why. The battery seems to be going a bit faster on this one than the other one did. So the torque is really great on it. It performs nicely, but there's just a few things that I'm not loving about this one. So I think I will go back to my Sparkle Pro and they're both 3,500 RPMs. So I think I'm going to go back to my Sparkle Pro. I'll probably either order a new handpiece for it or just order a whole new unit. But this one's working good, but I prefer the other one. So that's my final thoughts and opinion on this e-file for MelodySusie. MelodySusie has some great products. I do highly recommend them for professionals and beginners. So they have great stuff for both. And I'll definitely continue to purchase their products, but this one just wasn't 100% for me. So I'll give it a B+. All right, guys. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.